Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello and welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I'm Pallavi. I'll be teaching you Spanish language. E means and, okay? I'll be teaching you Spanish language. So in the last video you have learned pronombres, los pronombres, the pronouns, okay? So subject pronouns only. There are so many types of pronouns also. You are going to learn them later. But today you are going to learn, as I said before, you are going to learn the conjugation, how conjugation works, how we conjugate the verbs, as there are so many types of verbs in Spanish, in English, in Hindi also. But today we are going to learn the verbs, how we conjugate them, how the conjugation works, how does conjugation works in Spanish language. So basically, I have said before also in a video, tipos de los verbos, types of the verbs. I have explained how many verbs are there in Spanish, okay? So you can watch that video, so you can have an idea regarding the verbs, okay? So today we are going to learn, there are two types of verbs, regular and irregular. So we are going to learn regular verbs today, okay? So there are three types of regular verbs, as you can see. AR ending verb, ER ending verb, IR ending verb, okay? Ending verb means like this: AR ending verb, ER ending verb, IR ending verb, okay? So we are going to learn only AR ending verb today, okay? I'll be uploading all the videos, okay? So just stay tuned with my channel. Hablar is to talk, comer is to eat, vivir is to live. So basically we are going to do this today, hablar, and ER and IR in the further videos, okay? So hablar or trabajar is to work, okay? So we are going to do that, how conjugation works with AR ending verbs. So basically regular verbs, they have a fixed pattern to conjugate the verbs, okay, for the conjugations of the verbs. So basically, if you learn hablar or trabajar conjugations, then you can just have an idea regarding the conjugation, how conjugation works with regular verbs, okay? So let's get started. So as you can see here, hablar y trabajar. So first of all, let me tell you, we are going to learn the singular forms, okay, of hablar and trabajar. They both are AR ending verbs of regular verbs, okay, in the category regular verbs. So we are going to learn singular, then plural, okay? So you have learned already the pronouns, okay? So we can revise it also. Yo means I, tu is the informal way to say you, él means he, ella means she, usted is a form to say you in a formal way, okay? So hablar is to talk. Yo hablo en español, I talk in Spanish. Trabajar is to work. Trabajar, wherever the J will come, that will be kh. The sound of J will be kh. Okay, Hindi wala kh. So hablo, as you can see here, we are going to remove these AR from the end, and we are going to add for first form O. All the alphabets are same other than AR, okay? Hablo, O, first form. Yo hablo en español, in Spanish, okay? Tu hablas. We are going to add this. We are going to remove this. We are going to add this. AS, hablas. This is an informal way to say it. You speak in Spanish. You talk in Spanish, okay? Tu hablas en español. These are compulsory. Okay, you should be using these. Él habla. We are removing this, we are adding A. Okay, so él habla en español, the conjugations of all these three types are same. Habla. Él habla en español. Ella habla en español. Usted habla en español. Usted is a formal way to say you. Okay. So this is the conjugation. This is how conjugation works for AR ending verb in regular form. Okay, let's get back to the trabajar. Okay, trabajar is to work basically. Yo trabajo. We are removing AR from the end and we are adding O for first form. These all are singular. Yo trabajo en la oficina, in the office. Yo trabajo en la oficina. Okay. Tú trabajas, we are adding this. AS. We are removing AR and we are adding this. AS. Tú trabajas en la oficina. Okay. Él trabaja, we are adding A and we are removing AR. Okay. Él trabaja en la oficina. Ella trabaja en la oficina. Usted trabaja en la oficina. Okay. I work in office, you work in office, you in a informal way. Okay. Él trabaja en la oficina, he works in office. Ella trabaja en la oficina, en una oficina. She works in office. Okay. You in a formal way. Usted trabaja en la oficina. Okay. So this is how conjugation works for AR ending verb. Okay. In regular forms. Yo, tu, I, you, and he or she, and you in a formal way. So yeah. So let's learn now the plural forms. These are AR ending verb, hablar and trabajar. We have learned in the first part singular forms. We are going to learn now plural form. Okay. So the plural form of first person is we. Okay. So nosotros, nosotros, nosotras. As is for feminine, os is for masculino, también para femenino, masculino, femenino, both. Okay. So hablamos en español. Nosotros hablamos en español. Vosotros, you all. Okay. Same here also, trabajamos en la oficina. So first we'll do hablar verb. Hablamos en español. We speak, we talk in Spanish. Okay. Vosotros, vosotras, both. Okay. Vosotros, vosotras habláis en español. You all in an informal way talk in Spanish. Okay. Ellos hablan en español. They talk in Spanish. Ellas hablan en español, feminine, in female. Okay. So talk in Spanish. Ustedes is a formal way to say you all. So ustedes hablan en español. You all talk in Spanish. Okay. Let's get to the trabajar verb. We are removing AR and we are adding amos. We are removing AR for vosotros. We are adding ais. Habláis. Okay. We are removing AR and we are adding AN. Okay. So hablan. Nosotros, nosotras trabajamos en la oficina. We all work in office. Okay. We work in office. Okay. Vosotros, vosotras trabajáis en la oficina. You all in an informal way work in an office. Okay. Ellos trabajan en la oficina. They work in an office. So ellos is like masculino. Ellas is like femenino. Okay. So ellos trabajan en la oficina. Ellas trabajan en la oficina. Ustedes trabajan en la oficina. You all in a formal way work in an office. So that was it. As you can notice the pattern, we are removing AR from the end for regular verbs. Okay. Hablamos, we are adding amos, amos. Okay. For vosotros, you all in an informal way, we are adding ais, ais. Okay. For third person plural form, we are adding an, and we are removing AR from the end. That's how conjugation works. As you can see here, conjugaciones, conjugations. Okay. So basically you have learned singular form and plural form of the regular verbs of AR ending verb, not IR or not ER. You are going to learn IR and ER in the further videos. You have learned AR ending verb, conjugation, how conjugation work for AR ending verb in regular verbs, okay, for singular and plural both. So there are overall 6 conjugations you have learned today for hablar and trabajar, each of them. Okay. So stay tuned with my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I am Pallavi. I'll be teaching Spanish in a loco way, fun way, loco way, crazy way. Okay. So stay tuned with my channel. Watch the playlist, tipos de los verbos, introducción, so on. Okay. And today you have learned conjugaciones, the conjugation, how conjugation works for AR ending verb in regular verbs. Okay. Hasta pronto. Adios. Cuídate.